Let's see how to remove protected view notification in all received Microsoft Word documents. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now the protected view notification will pop up whenever the document or any document that isn't ours we open. And it does that to protect any random or accidental editing in that document. And to remove protected view, simply click on the File tab. Now click on Options. And right here under Trust Center, click on Trust Center Settings. And you should be able to see protected view right here. And you can simply uncheck everything to disable protected view. And whenever you open any document that isn't yours, you can now directly edit it instead of opening it in a viewing mode. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.